Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
The minute that I saw you, I was gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video, I am sharing with you my little transformation of under the kitchen sink. I'd let it get really messy. There was just things thrown in, no organisation, so I really wanted to get it in order and looking as pretty as it can look under the sink with all the cleaning products. So the first thing that I did was take everything out so that I could go through everything and give the cupboard a good clean. So to clean it, I'm just using this Fabulosa Fresh spray. I love the smell of this, it's really nice, so I'm just going to make sure that I spray that everywhere and give it a good clean.
Fingertips so weak, but I sold my heart, so guess it's on me. Be there in 3. Be there in 3.
The next thing that I did was go through all of my cleaning products and things like the tea towels. I had loads of tea towels that just needed thrown away, loads of microfiber cloths that have been washed so many times it could just do with replacing, and just went through any bottles of things that I just don't use. And yeah, just had a really good sort out of all of my products so that everything was in order. Also putting things that can go in the utility room for the washing machine, making sure that that is separate. And then I got these really good storage baskets from Home Bargains. I actually got them offline, so I'm just going to use some of them to store the products in. I love that they're all the same colour so that it just all looks nice and neat.
Can't satisfy, and I don't wanna be.
I'm also got this jar. I think I got this from B&M. It was in the like bargain aisle, you know, when things are reduced, and I thought that I could put all of my dishwasher tablets in that just to make it look a lot nicer. And I also had 2 boxes of dishwasher tablets on the go, so I much prefer keeping them in this jar, and I can also easily see how many I've got left because it is see-through. And then I'm just going to add a label to that with my label maker that I love. Again, this was from Home Bargains off the online. I ordered it, and yeah, I'm putting labels on everything around the house these days, so I'm just going to label that up. I managed to find these really nice looking microfiber cloths. I find these a lot more aesthetically pleasing than the very bright coloured ones that you can get, and I just ordered them with my Tesco food shop. So I'm just going to put, because I've got some bright coloured ones already that are new, I'm just going to take them out the packaging and put them at the bottom of one of the boxes, and then just put the nicer patterned ones on the top because it just looks nice that it's black and white with the black boxes. So yeah, these were just Tesco. They're really big as well, so they're a really good size.
Cancelled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious.
Also from Tesco, I managed to find some black and white tea towels, which just all matches really nicely. I really needed some new tea towels, like ours were so tatty. So I love the fact that I found these ones and that they match so nicely with everything. So I'm just rolling them up and putting them in another of the storage boxes.
Dropping everything 'cause you're stuck on my mind. just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me, trying to find another way to say this.
Next, I am going to start putting some of my products back in to under the sink. So I'm just putting all my bottles of bleach and toilet cleaner just in the one at the back.
We were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be.
And then I've got a lot of these Cif products that you may have seen me talking about in my last Home Bargains haul. So because they all match nicely, I'm just making sure that they are at the front. And then in this other box at the back, I'm putting products in that I don't use all the time. So things that I don't need to hand very much, like oven cleaner and dishwasher cleaner.
To be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building.
And then behind those Cif ones, I'm just putting some window cleaner spray. And then this is just like all of the things that I use quite regularly, so keeping things to hand that I'm going to use more often than the other things.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, we seem to have the time. But when it's hard,
I bought some of these small clear storage boxes from B&M and I hadn't really known what to do with them. I've got like one long one and two of these smaller sized ones. So I thought it'd be quite nice to put some tea lights in one of them just to make them look a bit nicer and more organised.
keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu.
And in the bigger one that just slots in nicely in this space, I just found it a really good size to put all of my Dishmatic things in, and then like the magic eraser sponges that you can get. So I thought that was a good size for all of those things. And I love the fact that they're see-through. I can see everything. I know what I've got as soon as I look under the sink. So yeah, really handy little boxes.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves.
And in the third box, I just thought I would empty out all of my wax melts and little candles and keep them in there, because I've got that many half-open packets of wax melts and things that were taking up far too much room. So again, it's really handy to see what I've got and when anything needs replacing.
Memories come back when I'm with you.
I also put some of these like around the back that you can't see with some of my sort of older tea towels that I can still use, but they're just not the best ones, so I'm keeping them out of sight. And then I put some of these little boxes to put all my sponges in to one side. I also got one of these plastic like adhesive hooks, so I thought I could stick that on the door. I might get a couple more of these actually, because I thought they're really good for tea towels and dishcloths. And that is the finished look. So I have got all of my Cif products there, and my candles in those boxes, my dishwasher tablets in their new jar all labelled up, and then like all of my everyday sort of products there, the pink stuff and my Fabulosas. And I also used one of these boxes again that was from B&M to put all of my bin bags in. And then we've got the beautiful nice tea towels and microfiber cloths, and it just looks so much nicer. I'm so pleased with it. So guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this little organize with me. I feel so much happier with the way it looks, and yeah, definitely got some more cupboards to do similar organisation in. So yeah, let me know what you think down below. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you again for my next one. Take care. Bye.